Prime Edge Ergo Steel is a fast and easy way to straighten and restore knife edges for razor-sharp performance. The Ergo Steel is an edge maintenance tool designed to be used on the production floor. Throughout the day, as a knife edge dulls, the operator can simply slide the blade through the unique spring tension rods of the Ergo Steel and straighten the edge in a matter of seconds. The traditional steeling technique for a knife is very difficult and rarely, if ever, mastered. The Ergo Steel edge maintenance tool can eliminate the training and difficulty of steeling a knife. When a knife edge makes contact with a hard object like metal mesh gloves, boning hooks, cutting boards or countertops, the knife edge can curl over and become dull. This rolled edge will cause dragging and tearing, which has a direct negative impact on health, safety and yield. How to straighten a rolled edge using the Prime Edge Ergo Steel. Step 1. Place the knife between the alignment rods and press down with light pressure until the rods are held against the center stop. Draw the knife through the rods for 2 or 3 passes and you will feel the rough edges become smooth. Step 2. To align the knife edge, make 2 or 3 passes between the alignment rods using light pressure. For this step, you do not need to press the rods fully down to the center stop position. Develop a circular motion to position the knife between the rods on each pass. Avoid striking the top of the base with the knife edge. There are several options for mounting each model of Ergo Steel. The Ergo Steel 2 table base is the ideal portable, secure solution for positioning your Ergo Steel 2. The Ergo Steel 2 simply snaps into the table base and is locked in place. The table base holds firmly to virtually any smooth flat surface. The Ergo Steel 3 model can be handheld or bench mounted in either of 2 positions using the optional stainless steel bracket. The placement of the Ergo Steel can now be tailored by each operator to provide maximum workflow, safety and comfort.